Welcome to Pack Herbal Medicine YouTube channel. What is Surbex Z tablet? Surbex Z tablet vitamins are micronutrients that are required by the body in small quantities. They mostly are to be taken orally, as the body produces very little, or none at all. While a well-balanced and healthy diet can get the body sufficient vitamins, not everyone manages to secure such a diet. Moreover, at times, deficiency cannot be countered by food alone. In old age especially, when people have limited diet and dietary options, they need supplements to fulfill their body's requirement for vital vitamins and minerals. One such holistic supplement is Cerbex Z. It is a high-potency multivitamin supplement. It is often used to overcome vitamin and especially zinc deficiencies. Surbex Z dosage and strength. The dosage strength of Surbex Z is as follows. Vitamin C 500 mg. Nicotinamide 100 mg. Vitamin E 30 IU. Calcium pantothenate, pantothenic acid, 20 mg. Vitamin B1, thiamine, 15 mg. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, 15 mg. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine hydrochloride 20 mg. Vitamin B12 12 microgram. Folic acid 150 microgram. Zinc, equivalent to 100 milligrams of zinc sulfate, 22.5 milligrams. For adults, the recommended dosage is 1 tablet a day. How to take Surbex Z. Take the supplement with a glass of water. Do not crush or chew the tablet but swallow it whole. It is suggested that you take the supplement with food. Moreover, take the tablets in the dose and frequency prescribed by your doctor. Before stopping the use of Surbex Z, you should consult your healthcare provider. What are the side effects of Surbex Z? Surbex Z is mostly a safe multivitamin supplement, but it can have some unwanted side effects. These include upset stomach, acidity, or diarrhea. Diarrhea, pregnancy and breastfeeding. Women who are pregnant should not take Surbex Z unless advised otherwise by their doctor. Likewise, women who are breastfeeding should also consult their healthcare provider before taking Surbex Z. Kidney failure. If your kidneys are not functioning well, your healthcare provider may prescribe milder supplements, or lower dosage, to not overwhelm your kidneys. Liver diseases. The liver does the metabolism and excretion of drugs in the body. However, in cases where the liver is not working efficiently due to failure or disease, drugs get accumulated in the body. This jeopardizes the health of the person. Thus, people with liver failure should take supplements like Serbex Z with caution. Diabetics should take Cervex Z at the discretion of their doctor. Storage conditions: the medicine should be kept out of reach and sight of children. Store the vitamins at room temperature. Do not use Cerbex Z after the expiration date has passed. Tablets should not be kept out of their bottle. Protect the tablets from humid conditions. Don't forget subscribe and like Pack Herbal Medicine YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Pack Herbal Medicine YouTube channel.